Hi everyone, good morning. We didn't run yesterday, so we didn't do anything yesterday. Just just consider this cheat day. Yeah, cheat day. So we're here right now. I'm not sure if I already did like 10,000 steps. Most of the time tumatakbo ako kasi sabi ko kahapon, grabe, ang dami kong kinain. And actually yung isang araw ko pa na nare-realize na mas madami yung calorie intake ko kaysa sa nalulus ko. Kasi as per checking sa data ko, naka-base sa steps ko is naglulus lang ako ng 71 calories per day. Yeah. Let's go.